How to create Payeer account in Ghana. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so just go to Google and then type in Payeer and then hit enter. Okay, so when it comes, just go to the official site of Payeer, just like this one. Select it and it will bring you right here to their website. You can create accounts and then have the currency in all of these. Okay, so all that you have to do is just come here where it says create account. Okay, let me zoom it for you to see. Where it says create account, just click on the create account. Okay, so when you click on the create account, it is then going to bring you right here where you have to put in your email address, put in your active email address, and then click on the create account. Okay, so after doing it, the next thing is that just check your email address. They have sent you a code. Go to your email address and then come and paste it right here. So let's do it. Let's open the email address, and then as you can see, this is the code. Just copy it and then come here and then come and paste it right here, and then click on create account. Okay, so when you click on create account, the next thing is that they are going to ask you to create a password. They will automatically give some to you, which you can copy it if you want, but you can change it if you don't want it. Okay, so if you don't want it, just come and change it. When you are done, just come here and then click on the next. Okay, so let's go to the top and then change the password. So not only the password, you can change it and then use your own password, and you can also change the account name as well and then use your own name. So let me use my own name, Nana the Best. Okay, then click on next. Then over here, just come and then put in your real name here. Okay, the name that is on your ID card, your first name, your last name, and then come and click on the done here at the down button. You are going to verify your ID card. Okay, so put in the correct name and then come and click on the done. Okay, so let's click on the done. And as you can see, we have successfully created our account just like that. Okay, it is very easy to create a Payeer account, and then you have the currency in all of these. Okay, so when you look at the left hand side, you can see these features. Let me zoom in for you to see. So the first feature is the transfer. You can transfer money to any place. Okay, anywhere in the world you can transfer money, and they also have the trade option as well. You can also trade with the Payeer as well, so you can also trade. Okay, you have a trade option here. Not only that, you also have the exchange option here. Okay, you can also exchange currencies. When you click on the exchange, you can do the exchange currencies and all that. Okay, so as you can see, this is so easy to create a Payeer account here in Ghana. So after creating your account, the most important thing is to verify it. Okay, which I am having a link of a video in the video description. Just click it and then watch how to verify your Payeer account here in Ghana, a step-by-step tutorial. So just like the video and then see you in my next video.